Let's make simple and easy chicken curry today. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe for more. Firstly, let's begin by chopping onions along with tomatoes. And these are the ingredients that I'm going to use today. Heat some coconut oil and add shallots and fry until slight color change. Now add chopped onion and cook until it turns golden brown. Add tomato and salt. Cook until tomatoes turn mushy. Add green chilies, curry leaves, mint leaves, coriander leaves, ginger garlic paste and cook until it releases oil. Now add coriander powder, chili powder, garam masala, turmeric powder, pepper powder and give it a good mix. Now add curd and cook for 2 minutes. Add chicken along with some water and cook with covered lid for 15 to 20 minutes on medium flame. Now it's ready to serve. If you like the video, click on the thumbs up button and show some love. Detailed recipe is available in the description below.